Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how to do a Madisar type of sari draping, which is actually used for doing the sari draping in the Tamil Iyer style. And this is something which is popularly followed for a Meenakshi Vigraha which looks like this. And not just that, I will also be giving you details about this particular Vigraha in this video so that you can purchase it from me in case if you want. So this type of a sari draping is going to be very special, and it is not going to take more than 5 minutes for you to drape it. So if you also want to learn how to do this kind of a sari draping, then don't miss to watch this video till the end. So this particular Vigraha is not something that I have purchased. I have borrowed it from a shop so that I can do a video and I can return it back to them. And they have told me that in case if you want to sell it, then you can go ahead and do so. So I'll be giving you the details of this Vigraha in case any of you want to buy it. So this Vigraha, I have just used watercolors to paint the eyes and lips for now because I will have to return it back to the shop. Okay, and before I painted eyes and lips, this is how the Vigraha look like, just in case if you guys don't want the eyes and lips to be defined. This Meenakshi idol has an antique finish and it is going to become a bright yellow brass color once you wash it. So until you wash it, it is going to be like this because it will be there in the shop for quite a few days without washing. So you don't have to reject this piece just because it is not a bright yellow in color. So all these black marks that you are seeing, it will go off if you wash it. And as you can see, this Vigraha is of 8 inches in height and the MRP of this is 1990 and this weighs about 800 grams. So if any of you are interested in purchasing this particular Vigraha, then please don't forget to leave me a message on my WhatsApp number and I will be getting back to you. And you can actually do the payment online, and yes, I can send this kind of a Vigraha anywhere in India and even outside India. So you don't have to worry about it. Shipping costs are always going to be extra up and above the price for the Vigraha that I have already quoted. So you don't have to worry about anything. You're going to get exactly the same piece that I'm showing you in this video. So you can go ahead and place the order. So the first and the foremost thing for this Madisar sari draping is putting a blouse, and I will be using this type of a very thin kind of a shalya kind of a thing which is provided for ready saris that I'm already selling. So just take it back of the Vigraha like this and make a cross. So many of you have asked me or told me that okay, there is no blouse which is being available, and you actually want to cover the front area of the Vigraha. So this is the way in which you can cover it. So just take it from the back side like this, like I showed you, okay, and make a cross like this, okay. And if you want to cover the back area also, then all you have to do is just make it go around the waist one more time like this, and you can pin it at the back side. So that itself is going to ensure that the front area will be covered, okay. So I'm not going to make a circle because the waist is very tiny and I'm going to need good amount of space at the waist to do my alankaram. So I'm just going to take a cross and put a pin at the back side. And as I always say, make sure that you have enough space over here, otherwise your jewelry is not going to look nice. And I will be using this type of a saree for this one. I think this is a 4-inch saree if I'm not wrong. Ideally, Kamakshi Devi will be wearing a green color saree, but unfortunately I don't have a green color, the small saree. That is why I'll be using the pink color over here. But even then, the border is green color, so that way it's going to look really nice. Usually, the kind of sarees that I'm providing right now is going to have a thread over here in the middle, so that you can easily tie it. But this was an old type of a saree style, and the thread is not there. So I'll just be putting the thread over here to tie the saree. You can either make these drapes come in the center or at a side. Usually for Madisar saree draping, it comes at one of the sides, like right in front of the knees. But over here, doesn't matter how much I pull it to a side, it's just going to come into the middle part, and that's why I have just retained it over here. So take this and you can just tie it at the back side so that it spreads really well. Now I am taking this kind of a border which also comes with the same saree. So in case if you are buying a saree for this kind of a saree draping, then you have to exclusively ask me that you are going to need a longer kind of a blouse piece or a shalya, okay. So this has to be long in case if you want to do this kind of a saree draping. So it really doesn't matter what size of the dress you are buying, just put a request to me that you are going to need a long piece like this, okay. Now what you do is you take it from behind, okay, and one side you have to make it come cross like this, something like this, okay. So when you are going to make it cross, make sure that this line is becoming slanting, okay. It should not be a straight line. So pull it as much up as possible like this, and you will have to put a pin somewhere. I'm going to use ball pins for this. So once you have pinned this part of the saree over here, then take the border from back side and bend it into two. Because for this side of the idol, the border is going to become broad, that is why I have folded into half. Now just come from this side, okay, and take it up. So please note that we want a V shape over here, inverted V shape, okay. But actually when for the real saree draping for Madisar saree style, they usually don't take it up, okay. They rather take it cross like this at the waist, okay. But because I really want the perfect shape and it is very difficult to drape small idols, I'm just taking it on top of the shoulder like this. So take it up. Before that, just see if there are any of your blouses or anything is slipping down. Just pull it up, and after you have taken it up, make a circle at the waist with the same folded fashion. You have to keep pulling the saree tightly at each and every stage, and this way. And the second time you have to take it on top of the shoulder. Again, pull it really tight, okay, and take it on top of the shoulder and pin the saree at the back side. And that is it. The Madisar saree draping is ready. So in case if you feel like any of the parts are actually lifting up like this, so just take a pin and fold it backside and pin it, and that should do the trick. This way. Okay, so now it is time to put the jewelry. And this finishes Alankaram for Meenakshi Devi, and also the sari draping, Madisar kind of a sari draping for Meenakshi Devi. And as you can see, it is so simple to do it that you can actually do it under 5 minutes of time, and it is super simple. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.